Now, as far as people skills are concerned, uh, in this short time, let me share with you 2, 3 things that I understand. See, with people, the biggest learning of mine is that do not expect people to be like you, because this very expectation leads to disappointment and people get frustrated. Do not expect people to be like you, or to be more specific, do not expect people to be exactly like you. Rather, thank God people are not exactly like you. One is sufficient for one planet. Okay, so do not expect another person like you. God in his wisdom or in her wisdom must have thought through it. So you are a unique person. So do not look for another person like you. So the very basis that you expect people to be like you is a perfect recipe for disastrous relationship. It's okay. People are not like you. It's okay, right? Because see, naturally, ladies and gentlemen, I do not know whether you will agree or not, but naturally we like 3 types of people. Number 1, we like those who are like us. It's very natural. You like football, the other person also is a football fan, and if of the same club, oh wow, then we are buddies, right? We like those who are like us, right? Like you are an action oriented person, speed driven person, and you are taking interview. You end up hiring another speed driven person, and guess what? The department goes for a toss, because 2 speed driven person do not pay attention to details, right? But you like this person in the beginning, right? So we like those who are like us, number 1. Number 2, we like those who like us. We like those who like us, who give us compliments, who appreciate us, even if the compliments are fake. We like those. Have you not heard this, that we are okay to be spoiled with fake appreciation rather to be saved by genuine criticism? Huh? We are perfectly fine to be spoiled by fake appreciation rather to be saved by genuine criticism. So that's what naturally we like, that we like those who like us. And number 3, we like those who cooperate with us. We really don't like those kind of people who don't cooperate, who ask too many questions, right? We don't like those people. But that's natural way of living. You and I, being human, we can nurture certain things even if they are not natural. There are many things which don't come to us naturally, okay? But that is a nurtured behavior, and as human beings, we have a lot of virtues which are nurtured behavior. They are not natural. All right? Like for example, dieting. It's not a natural behavior. It's a nurtured behavior. All right? Sacrifice is not a natural behavior. It's a nurtured behavior. Okay? So let us nurture this behavior when it comes to people. That it's okay that people are not like you. Exactly not like. And those of you who are married and you have kids, I'm sure you must have also my kind of experience, that even your own kids are not like you. I do not know whether it is good or bad, but that is the case. Right? So when your own kids are not exactly like you and you're expecting a colleague to be like you, don't you think it's a very unreasonable expectation? So do not expect people to be exactly like you, number 1. Number 2, do not expect people to be perfect. I am yet to come across a perfect country, perfect course, perfect company. People are quitting Google, Apple, TCS. So there's no perfect company, no perfect country, no perfect human being. I am certainly not one of those. So how can you have perfect people around you? Everybody is work in progress. We all are work in progress. Nobody is a finished project. Number 3, do not live with assumptions. Do not live with assumptions. Please verify them. I really can't say about you guys, but here in India, at times, the moment I come to know, I will know that, okay, this person belongs to this part of the country. We know how is that person. If he is from this part of the country, this is how he'll behave. Now, what a foolish assumption. If three children of the same parents are not same, how can people in the same geography be same? Indians are such, Germans are such, Britishers are such. These are all assumptions, right? I'm sure we all have seen there are all kinds of people everywhere. So we should not live with assumption. But you all know, naturally, the moment you look at a person, you have an image of that person in your mind. Is it not true? The moment we look at a person, even on an online platform, if you look at a person by just the facial expressions, oh, you have a ECG, MRI of the person in your mind, right? That this is how this person is. And I do not know about you, but I am wrong most of the times, despite of the fact that I have done some training in NLP or TA, whereby we can, get some clues. But still, I don't get it right all the time. So my generally suggestion to people is, don't do that mistake. All right? Verify. Verify. Okay. And number 4, the fourth basic of people that I understand is, whatever the circumstances, you are the boss, you are the authority figure in your company, but none of us have the right to humiliate someone. So never ever humiliate people, because once we use some derogatory language, then things do not remain professional, it becomes personal. So whenever you and I as managers need to give feedback to someone, my suggestion would be, whenever we are giving feedback, please do not comment anything about the person. Restrict your comments to behavior and performance, nothing on the person. For example, you cannot say you are a lazy, careless person. You can say you are coming late for the last 2-3 days by 15 minutes, 20 minutes. You are not informing before taking leave. You can say that. And I guess if we practice these simple things, the one thing will happen. You will have a very pleasant and productive life.